Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from an insurance lapse with Erie Insurance, detailed guide step by step clearly. If you have experienced an insurance lapse with Erie Insurance, it's essential to act quickly. First, gather all relevant documents related to your previous policy. This includes your policy number, the dates of coverage, and any correspondence from Erie. Next, assess the reason for the lapse. Understand whether it was due to non-payment, missed renewal, or another reason. Contact Erie Insurance's customer service directly. You can reach them through their official website or phone number. Explain your situation to the representative clearly and concisely. They can provide guidance on the steps needed to reinstate your policy. If the lapse was due to non-payment, inquire about payment options. You may be required to pay any owed premiums to reinstate your coverage. If you missed the renewal date, ask about the procedures to renew. Erie Insurance may allow a grace period for policy reinstatement. If a grace period is not available, you might need to apply for a new policy. Consider whether your coverage needs have changed since your last policy. Review Erie Insurance's offerings to find a plan that suits your current needs. Once you have all the necessary information, complete any required paperwork. Submit the documentation as instructed by the customer service representative. Keep a copy of everything for your records. After submission, follow up with Erie Insurance to check the status of your request. It may take a few days for your reinstatement to process. Once reinstated, review your new policy documents carefully. Ensure that all details, such as coverage limits and deductibles, are correct. Regularly review your payment schedule to avoid future lapses. For your peace of mind, consider setting up automatic payments. Staying proactive can help you maintain continuous coverage moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.